Mr. Boch, and do well to subscribe to this channel. So today we'll be solving some questions on indices. You can see the first questions. So you can see the first question. If 2 raised to the power 1 over 1 minus y times 2 raised to the power y minus 1 all over 2 raised to the power y plus 2 is equal to 8 raised to the power 2 minus 3y. Find y. This is WAEC. That's WASE 2009 question number 1. And then we have the second one. So we are going to be solving. In the course of this session, if you have any questions, do well to read them in the comment section. I'll be glad to. Once again, you are welcome to the masters. Tell me your name and where you are watching from. I still remain Boch, favorite tutor, and you're welcome. Remember, at Redcon Online Learning, this is a program, and we'll be having it daily. It is called the Daily Maths Dose. We'll be solving some hard questions for WAEC, NECO, and JAM. All right. So we are going to be solving these questions on indices today. So, feel free to ask your questions in the comments section. Right. So we are going to begin now. Now for the first question, if 2 raised to the power 1 minus y times 2 raised to the power y minus 1 over this is equal to this, find y. Okay, so this is very, very, very simple. So this is the first one. We are going to make all the bases to be 2 because everything is 2. So we can make 8 to become 2 because 2 raised to the power 3 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. Alright, so we can do that. So the answer is 2 raised to the power 1 minus y times 2 raised to the power y minus 1 all over 2 raised to the power y plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, alright? All raised to the power 2 plus 3. Wow. Are we together? Okay. So at this particular question, we are going to open this bracket. So 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. Y 3 times minus 3y is minus 9y. So we have 6 minus 9y. So we can change this to 6 minus 9y. Alright? So from here, from the laws of indices, you know we can add the powers of this and this because we have that a power 2 times a raised to the power 3 is something as a raised to the power 2 plus 3, which is a raised to the power 5. This is a law in indices. So you can apply this here. So this becomes 2 raised to the power 1 minus y plus y minus 1. Okay? All over 2 raised to the power y plus 2 equal to 2 raised to the power 6 minus 9y. So 1 minus 1 is 0 and y minus y is still 0. So this becomes the demarcation. This becomes 2 raised to the power 0. Remember, we collected like terms. 1 minus 1 is 0. Plus y minus y is 0. So we have 2 raised to the power 0. Alright? Are we together? Do you have any question? Do well to relate in the comment section. Alright? And also subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. It will really help us. So 2 raised to the power 0 all over 2 raised to the power y plus 2 equal to 2 raised to the power 6 minus 9y. I will know that anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So this becomes okay, we can follow that approach. This becomes 1 over 2 raised to the power of y plus 2 equal to 2 raised to the power 6 minus 9y. So we can cross multiply because this is still over 1. So we can cross multiply. 1 times 1 is 1 equal to 2 raised to the power y plus 2 times 2 raised to the power 6 minus 9y. Okay, so we can clean this place since we have used this side so that we can conserve space. Alright, I hope you are still following. What's your name and where are you watching from? So we have that 1 is equal to, since we have the same base, you can add their powers. So we have 2 raised power y plus 2 plus 6 minus 9y. So 1 is equal to 2 raised to power, let's collect items. 2 plus 6 is 8. Then y minus 9y is minus 8y. Something as 1 minus 9, which is minus 8. So we can still transform this to 2 raised power plus 2 raised power 0 something as 1. Anything raised power 0 in mathematics something as 1. The 2 raised power is equal to 2 raised power 8 minus 8y. So this can cancel this. So 0 is equal to 8 minus 8y. Take minus 8y to this side, it becomes 8y. So you have that 8y is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 8, divide both sides by 8. This cancels this cancels this. So y is equal to 1. So, do you understand? If you have any question, do well to ask. In case you're not seeing the board due to the light, I think I will be able to shift it so that you can see. So y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Alright? Okay. So we are now going to solve the second question. The second question is very interesting. 2011 number 2. So I hope you've taken note of this. So I can now solve number 2. So anticipate daily mass dose tomorrow by 7 a.m. in the morning. So share the link to your friends and ask them to subscribe to the channel so that they don't miss out. So let's talk about number 2. We have that 2 raised to power x plus y is equal to 27 raised to power y. And the other equation, we have that x minus y is equal to minus 1 and half. Obviously, know that this is going to lead us to a simultaneous equation because we have 2 equations here and we are asked to find the value of x plus y. So we are going to find x, then we are going to find y, then add them together. Alright? So we have 2 and we have 27. And we have x minus y and we have minus 1 and half. Okay. So let's think of the best approach to use to solve this particular question. What's your name and where are you watching me from? Are you finding the class helpful? Let me know in the comment section. Welcome to Daily Math Dose. My name is Sabot from Reducon Online Learning. You're welcome. Alright, there's a mistake here. Please correct it, okay? So instead of having 27 here, we have 16. Alright? So we have 16. So this is now 16. So that makes it very easy to solve. So you know that 2 raised to the power 4 is something as 16, right? 2 raised to the power 4 is something as 16. So we have 2 raised to the power 4y. Okay? 2 raised to the power 4y. We've seen how we transformed it now. Okay? Very simple. Alright, so 2 can cancel 2, okay? We have x plus y is equal to 4y. Alright, so x is equal to 4y minus y. So x is equal to 3y. Are we together? So since x is equal to 3y, any place we see x, we replace it with 3y here. So since x is equal to 3y, that means 3y minus y is equal to minus half is something as minus 3 over 2. Remember, this is 2 times 1. So 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3, then over 2. Okay? So 3y minus y is 2y equal to minus 3 over 2. So you can cross multiply this over 1. 2y times 2 is 4y equal to minus 3. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. So we have that y is equal to minus 3 over 4. Okay? So x plus y. So since we know y now, we can now go ahead and find x. Remember, x is 3 times y. Okay? So x, let me use a better marker. X is something as 3 times y is now minus 3 over 4. Minus 3 over 4, which is equal to minus 9 over 4. Alright? So x plus y is now equal to x plus y is now equal to minus 9 over 4 plus. Okay, so plus times minus is still minus. So it's going to be minus 9 over 4 minus 3 over 4. Alright? So remember, if we have minus 5 minus 3, it's something as 5 plus 3, then you add the minus. So 5 plus 3 is what? 8. Then you add the minus, so minus 8. Okay, so we are basically going to do over 4 plus 3 over 4. 12 over 4. Then 12 over 4, which is minus 3. So this is the answer. So x plus y is what? Minus 3. Are we following? Is it very simple? Is it very simple? Let me know in the comment section. If you want more questions on this particular topic, let me know in the comment section so that in our next live session, we can shoot on it. Alright, thank you. We are going to stop. Thank you for joining today's section of the Daily Math Though. We are going to be taking the questions little by little so that it doesn't overwhelm you. So daily, you can just join the live session, just about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We are done. My name is Sam Borge. Thank you for joining us today. Bye.